Alright, today we have the Apogee Atomizer, a nice little low-powered kit, similar to the Apogee Habu, although one main difference is it has 4 fins instead of 3 fins, and as you probably noticed, has a ring around the fins. You can kind of see this nice little black ring here, which makes it unique to other low-powered rockets. Has a 18mm motor mount with an engine hook to keep your motors from flying out. Additionally, this rocket came with its own little stand, which is kind of nice for displaying if you like to display your rockets. Inside, we have the Apogee Kevlar shock cord, nice to keep your shock cord from burning up. Then we have the parachute. One difference from most rocket kits is this comes with a large sheet that you have to cut your parachute out of and then tie the parachute cords on, but no problem for an experienced rocketeer. Additionally, our own modifications are a nice little swivel to prevent tangles. It's not necessary, but is nice. Overall, this is a fun little park flyer. We flew it today, and it flew pretty well, considering it had the ring on there. And I would give this one a 4 out of 5 stars.
All right, Atomizer, take 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, C really got it up there.
That did. It's probably 1,000 feet. You see it?
Yeah.
Right up there.